In this guide, I'll show you how to download and set up the fastest auto clicker in Roblox. So this can be useful if you want to go AFK in a game and keep it running, then we can use an auto clicker to achieve this. So what you need to do is just head over to your desktop, come over to the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Click on the Microsoft Store. In the search box at the top, you need to type in Auto Clicker and hit enter. And you want to select this GT Auto Clicker here. As you can see, this is rated 4.7 stars with over 2,000 ratings. It's completely free to use and is part of the Microsoft Store, so it's completely safe. Just click on the Get button here. Now it's a nice and small application, so that should only take a couple of seconds to download. Once you finish, click on Open. And with the auto clicker open, we're then going to launch the Roblox application. Now to use the auto clicker, you first need to set an interval. So you can choose to either click every hour, minute, second, or millisecond. For the fastest results, we're going to set everything to 0 and just set this to 1 millisecond here. You can either choose to click a certain number of times or keep this on an infinite loop. Choose to select either the left or right mouse button. For most of us, we're going to keep this on left. Then you can pick a location of where you want this mouse clicking to start. So let's say I wanted to click here on the screen. And then finally, to go ahead and launch the auto clicker, all you need to do is press F6 on your keyboard. And that's going to go ahead and start auto clicking. And when you want to stop the auto clicker, you can just press F7 on your keyboard. And this will stop the mouse from auto clicking. So as you can see now, we've stopped the auto clicker and this has helped us click 1,706 times. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download and set up an auto clicker on Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.